Trying to find the right tool for your metalworking projects can feel like you're on a never-ending treasure hunt. Penn Tool Co. will provide metalworkers of all skill levels with the right tools for any project, guaranteed.
Penn Tool Co. will conveniently ship quality tools that are built to last right to your door. Since 1968, we've committed to precision tools and excellent customer service.
Do those look like snakes to you? Those look like snakes.
We have over 500,000 metalworking products, precision measuring tools, machinery, power tools, and accessories.
Can you tell me where the hand tools are?
The sand tools are over there somewhere.
No, I said hand tools.
I know, right?
This guy's a hand tool.
Since 1968, we've been your partner in precision tools. Penn Tool Co. wants the best for you and your metalworking projects. We post guides and tips on our social media that can help you through whatever it is you're creating and wanting to learn. You're ready.
That's the greatest thing I've ever seen. Time to go, kid.
Penn Tool Company has quality tools that will last. Click the link now to get started. Hey, wait up!